guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the August manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, the August 2026 manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing crystal jewelry box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, if you know, every other month, Rena over at Boxes and Deals and I are going in collaboration together to bring to you both subscriptions. So here you get to see the manifestation box, and on her channel, so you can go ahead and pop on over and check out her video, you are going to see the Mother Earth Wrap Club. I absolutely love seeing what she gets in that one. I love how sparkly it normally is, teeny tiny, wrapping it around. I love the wrap bracelet, and she shows you that one and I show you this one. So then you can compare both and see which one is best for you if you are interested. You can always purchase from their shop anytime if you do not want to do a subscription. You do pay more that way. You save a lot more if you're getting the whole subscription, but you can shop their shop at any given time. They have sales all the time, and you can use my code or Rena's, whichever one you want to use, save for you. You can use, and I believe mine is SheCrafty. Yes, it's SheCrafty for 20% off. You can use for your first subscription or anything in the shop. So definitely if you want to check them out, they will be listed down below, as well with Rena's link so you can see hers. We do collaborate together, so it should already show you her video, but if not, it will be in the description box with her channel, so you can go pop on over and check her out. If you're not already, subscribe while you're there. She's amazing. I love her. You will too. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what we have for the August. It always comes down in their box and it says, ready to manifest your dreams? Yes, manifest the life you want to live. When you open it up, you always have a handwritten card from the owner right on top with a sticker that changes all of the time. How cute. Once we remove that, the inside of the box looks something like that. So with this one, you get a healing crystal, you get a necklace, you get a bracelet, and both of those you tell them the length that you prefer, so it's literally custom made for you. You get 2 meditation cards, one for you to keep, one for you to gift, or you can keep them both, whatever you would like, but you get 2. And you also have what we're working with for the month, and you also have your astrology. So you tell them your zodiac sign when you sign up, and then you have your own astrology for the month to sit back and read and know kind of what's going on. So let's go with all the paperwork first, and then we will dive into all of the fun stuff with the crystals inside. So first up, I'm going to show you is the 2 different meditation cards. Again, you always get 2 of them. The ocean stirs the heart, inspires the imagination, and brings eternal joy to the soul. Yes, beautiful. So there's that. Then you have what we're working with for this month, and it says Ocean Soul. So you have this to read for the month. And then I have the August 2026 astrology for Scorpio, because that is what I am. So I can read this and kind of know what's going to be happening this month. I love that. Now, they also do send some of their, like a postcard to show more of their jewelry. Again, you can purchase anything individually on their website, but it is absolutely gorgeous. You don't have to take them off when you're showering, washing your hands, doing dishes. They are made to last and withstand pretty much whatever you are doing on your normal day to day. So definitely wear them with confidence that it should be hanging with you through the whole day, whatever you got going on. So now let's go ahead and go in here. You can always store your jewelry in these boxes as well. With the jewelry, if you don't know, you always have a card, and I absolutely love this, and I tell you guys all the time that I love these cards. I save them. I have them in a thing that's in alphabetical order, and if I ever want to know what a crystal is, what it does, what it's used for, I can go and look. If I don't know the name, it has an image on there, so you can kind of go through and match it up to kind of see what it is. So I love these. They're really user friendly. I can pretty much read every word on it, and that's saying a lot. So I love these cards, and I tell you guys all the time. And we have wait. You guys, we have a matching set. What? We have a matching set. 100% matching set this month. Oh my gosh, I love that. I absolutely love that. I always tell you guys, sometimes like I just wish that they would just match, and sometimes they're like, no ma'am, you don't want to wear them with the same day. But these, so this has to be the turquoise. I got the little fuzzies from the inside of the box. Yes, this is the turquoise. So here is the bracelet. The biggest gift of turquoise is helping us know that every part of us is in alignment of our divine self, to be understood and embraced. Turquoise encourages us to accept ourselves, scars and all. It can help release regret and find self-acceptance, which is important. Turquoise is believed to bring luck and to possess powers, including the ability to promote wealth, attract love, and bring happiness. But oh my gosh, for one, I absolutely love turquoise. I love the stone. I love the color. I love everything about it. So I'm super, super excited. And to have a matching necklace. Here is the necklace. Let me go ahead and put it on. And it like matches my color perfectly too. Look at that. So here is the matching set. And then what we have left is the healing crystal. So here is the healing crystal, and it is a manzanite, another amazing crystal. Plus I love the color. You can see why. A manzanite, called the stone of courage and the stone of truth, it empowers one to search the self and discover one's own truth and integrity, and to move beyond fear of judgment or confrontation with others, to live in alignment with those beliefs and values. It provides the freedom to express one's thoughts and feeling. And again, I love the color. I even have a bracelet with this. I love this stone. So, oh my goodness, you guys, you have the stone. You have this beautiful, beautiful necklace, which is all full crystals. Same with the stretch bracelet. You have your astrology, what we're working with, and the two, where are they? 2 meditation cards. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am so thrilled with this August box. I absolutely love the fact that it is a complete matching set, and the crystal couldn't be more perfect. I love the color. I just love everything about it. So let me know down below what your thoughts are. Are you shocked? It is a complete set this month. Are you shocked? I am, and I'm loving it. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. Again, you can use Rena's code or my code to work on the subscriptions or their entire store. They have everything there readily available for you to purchase. Now, both of the subscription boxes are the exact same price. I just showed you the manifestation box with everything that's included. And then Rena, if you haven't seen, definitely go check hers out. You will see the Mother Earth Wrap Club. With that one, you don't get all of this stuff. You get the one wrap bracelet and you get one gift. It could be anything and everything under the sun, but you'll have one little gift in there. You do not get the astrology, the healing crystal. You don't get the meditation cards or, the horoscope or anything like that. It is for the beautiful, beautiful wrap bracelet and the special gift you get in there as well. So for either one, if you want to do month per month, you can cancel at any time, but month per month, it's $39. A 3-month plan will bring your box price down to $36. The 6-month plan will bring your box price down to $34, and a full 12-month prepaid plan for all 12 months, you will bring your box price down to $33 per box, and that's an amazing savings. So if you want to check them out, they will all be listed in the description box with Rena's video, Rena's channel, all of that good stuff will all be in the description for you. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything for me to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. And also let me know which one you like better, the manifestation box or the Mother Earth Wrap Club. Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.